Guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll be showing you a trick with this balloon. I am going to use a small balloon. Let's see. Guys, this is going to be quite loud, so... What? Sorry guys, that was not meant to have. Are you ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. Bye, guys. Say bye to the guys, Rashan.